How to change Instagram password without old password. Hey everyone. In this quick video I'm showing step by step on how to change Instagram password without old password. First, tap to open the Instagram app. Tap on these three dot lines. Tap on Settings. Tap on Security. Tap on Password. Here, if don't remember the old password, click on Rest It with Facebook. Here it will ask you to enter a new password. And then tap on this tick option. Done? Now that's how to change your Instagram password without your old password. Hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. We meet at the next one. Have a nice time.